Hello, hello, hello. So I'll wait for people to join and then I'll introduce today's guest. Today's guest is a special guest from Pakistan and I'm very excited today. She is a. Hello Navya, thank you for joining. So today's guest is Aruj Fatima, a 15-year-old schoolgirl from Pakistan. She is a vegan activist, she's an animal rescuer, and she's an amazing person. I'll just add her and you guys can ask her questions, me or not. It will be a comedy of errors if she's not. Yeah, oh, she's following me. Let me try to add her. Hello, guys, thank you for joining. Thank you, Zishan, Navya, Shiva, and everyone. So I'm trying to get her in. Hello, Shalini. Okay, when should come online now? Now, okay. She's asking me in Messenger how to join the live session. Okay, okay. This is interesting. She's asking me on the Messenger. Oh God. Aruj, are you watching this? Please join this one. Okay, I'll go to Messenger and tell her to join this. On Insta, I'm texting her on Messenger right now to join on Insta because she's new to Instagram. She doesn't know how it works. I sent you add request. How? Oh God. I sent you add request. What a scene! What a scene! Yeah, amazing. Please. Aruj. I'm extremely sorry, guys, because she doesn't know how to join a live session on Instagram, and I'm like texting her on Messenger. Okay, she joined. I hope the song is nice. And okay, she's here. Thank God. Alexa, pause. Welcome, Aruj.
Thanks.
So yeah, we were texting on Instagram Messenger how to join. So how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, thank you for joining. So like I told you that she's Aruj Fatima. She's a 15-year-old schoolgirl from Pakistan. She's a vegan activist and an animal rescuer, and we will get to know more from her own mouth. Aruj, tell us about yourself, the city you live in, and just short introduction about what you are
I live
doing.
in Lahore. I live in Lahore and I am from Pakistan and I am a school student.
Lahore, school student, Pakistan.
Yes.
Okay. How is it in Lahore? Like, where is Lahore located?
Lahore is
Lahore in
located in
Punjab.
Pakistan. It's
Yeah,
in
but
Punjab.
I think
Yeah.
there is Lahore in India too.
No.
I don't know. I think Punjab is in India. There is two Punjab, one in Pakistan
Yes,
and
there are two
one
Punjab.
in India. This is
And
the
I
first
think
time
that
I'm
there is
like,
a Hyderabad in India too.
yeah, there's Hyderabad in India.
Yeah.
So yeah, Anuj, we will start with. You said you are a vegan, right?
Yes.
Yes. So tell me, when did you go vegan?
I went vegan on 30th of June when I watched some videos from PETA. I realized that for my taste buds, how cows, chickens, and other farm animals are horribly abused. They are being treated in unnatural ways. Cows are artificially inseminated. Their male calves are taken away from them. And I realized that this cruelty happens because I fund it. So I decided to stop funding it and go vegan.
So yeah, amazing. So when did you go vegan? When did you say we went vegan?
In 2020, on 30th of June.
30th of June. And how much time has it been now?
Almost 1 year.
6 months.
Yes.
Almost a
1 year.
year.
Yes.
Okay. So amazing. And So, how did your family react to it? Like, are there anyone else in your family?
No,
Is there anyone else? Okay.
no.
You are the only one. So, how did your family react to your decision?
So basically,
How
when I
did
told them that I am going vegan, they were worried about my nutrition and all the questions that from where will I get my protein, from where will I get my calcium. But then I assured
yeah,
them that I will get all the nutrition I need, and a balanced vegan diet is much healthier than a non-vegan diet. So then they didn't
absolutely.
have any issue.
Oh, you convinced them
Yes, I convinced them. My extended
because it
family
is.
members did think that ecosystem will collapse if I turn vegan, but I answered their queries. They are still not convinced with my answers, but still they do not have any issue with me being vegan or not
Okay,
wearing or
okay.
using animal products.
It's very strange because I know how difficult it is to be vegan in even in vegetarian families, let alone being a
Yes,
vegan in a Muslim family, and that too in Pakistan. So
yes,
yeah, it's amazing, like unbelievable, incredible that you are a vegan and you could convince your parents because you are not even an adult. In you
yes,
are just
yeah.
you were 40.
50.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I
All the guys who are watching, I'm so thankful to you that you
can
guys
hear
are
you.
watching. Salini, Shania, I'm very thankful to you guys that you are watching. It feels nice that you are watching. Uh, yeah, it is very difficult to be a vegan in Pakistan, and how you could convince your family. Is your family very like liberal and progressive?
Yeah, basically, they are religious. They focus on namaz and other principles of Islam, but they do believe
Mhm.
that Islam teaches us kindness, peace, and
Mhm.
compassion. They believe that Islam is basically a religion of peace, and it does not teach
Mhm.
us violence. Rather, it teaches
Wow,
us logical things. It teaches us peace. It
wow,
teaches us kindness. It
wow.
teaches us humanity.
Wow, unbelievable. Like it's so, I'm so happy to hear this from you. Like there are people who are like that because even my family is not ready to accept whatever I'm like preaching. And we are
Yes,
supposed to be a little liberal in a place like India and Bengal. But if we have these families, this kind of families in Pakistan, I'm sure there will be others as well. So we just need to
yes,
find them out and we need to empower them, praise them for their great work, and support
you're
them.
right.
That's what they need. We all need moral
Yeah,
support. We need to support
yes.
these people.
We need to
And
morally support them, and we need
oh, you don't need to look at the questions now because you'll get distracted. Yeah,
yes.
continue. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hello. So what I'm saying is, did your friends, how did they react? Did they bully you or make fun of you?
No, they did not believe me.
Okay, they
In fact, they
didn't.
agreed with my point of view
Wow. Wow.
most
So
of
did anyone
them.
go vegan?
Like I told them the
Did they?
cruelty in dairy industry, in chicken farms, in broiler chicken farms, and they agreed to me to some extent. I told them the reason of the growing antibiotic resistance in us, which is that
Which
when we consume suffering, how
wow.
can we expect not to suffer?
Which tells me that you are an amazing activist because I
Yes.
can understand that you are very vocal about this veganism thing, your animal rights. You are very vocal and like, could you convince your friends to like go vegan or vegetarian, whatever? Like, have you been
Yes, I
successful or?
have.
Hmm.
No, I have not been successful in convincing them till
Hmm.
yet, but I am doing social media activism and I
Okay.
do continue to tell them about the atrocities against
Wow.
animals and how are they treated, and I hope that someday they will turn vegan.
Okay. Veganism is not only about diet, right? Do you know that?
Yes, it is not a
Vegan
right.
is, yeah,
It is
like,
basically against animal exploitation, against animal
yeah,
abuse.
absolutely. Perfect answer. That's
It is
what I was
it
looking
is a
for.
change of
It's
perspective. Basically, when
mhm.
we are non-vegans, we view animals as our commodities. We view them as food, as our clothing. But when we turn vegan, we
Mhm.
change our perspective, we change our mindset.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. Okay. There was a glitch. There was a glitch.
Yes.
Yeah. This is what happens during live sessions. There are a lot of
Yes.
glitches. So why I asked you about the vegan lifestyle or stance against animal exploitation? People need to
Yes.
understand. Many people think, okay, I am a vegetarian now, and as soon as I stop consuming dairy products and
Basically,
honey,
there
I
is a
become
difference
vegan. But
between being vegan and being plant-based.
yeah,
Plant-based is
absolutely. Oh my
being
God.
plant-based is a diet, but being vegan
I'm
is a stance against animal exploitation.
I'm super impressed by your knowledge. I'm super impressed
Yes.
that how you know a lot about veganism. So, do you use vegan cosmetics or other products? Is it available in Pakistan? Vegan cosmetics?
I do not use cosmetics very much, and when I do have
Okay.
to use them, like on functions or on events, I use vegan cosmetics.
Wow, wow, amazing. So that means it's available in Pakistan as well. And
Yes, there are many
have
cruelty-free
you,
brands and vegan cosmetic brands that are available in Pakistan.
wow, wow. So that means that I'll come to my next question. Is it easy to be vegan in Pakistan? Would you say? Like, are
Yes,
there like a lot of options,
basically
vegan
there
options?
there aren't a lot of options, but it is easy to be vegan in Pakistan because we can make some of the things at home. For example,
Wow.
we have basic materials available in Pakistan and we can utilize them to make things and vegan food items at home.
Okay. No, what I was asking was like, is there tofu available or dairy-free ice
No,
cream?
tofu is not
Oh,
available
vegan.
in Pakistan, but we do have soybeans available. So we can
Okay,
use them
so
to make tofu. Yeah, I
okay,
use them
okay.
to
So you
make
have to
tofu at
work.
home.
You have to work harder, and yeah,
Yes.
you have to work harder, right? But there are a lot of
Yeah.
options like you can make cashew milk, soy milk, and then what else? Coconut
Yeah, there are a
milk.
lot of
So
options. Almond milk, cashew milk, soy milk, oat milk.
so you don't get to eat sweets or ice cream. Don't you feel
No,
sad
I
about
make
that?
it at
Like,
home. I make it at home.
wow, wow. So you are very headstrong, like very persistent about this veganism. Because what happens is at a young age, when you feel it
Yes.
gets difficult and the options are not available, people go back to their old eating habits. But it's
Basically, it is a change of
remark.
perspective, as I have mentioned before. And when perspective change, one cannot go back to what they were doing before.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's remarkable to see what you are doing, like making things at home, but not changing your stance. And I'm sure it will inspire others as well because I was talking to one friend today, new friend, and she was saying that I've been vegetarian for 6 years, but I cannot go vegan because it's not easy for me. I don't know it's addiction, and I told her about you that you are so
What
young and
I believe
you
is
are
that everything is in our brain. When we think that we
mm,
cannot leave cheese or dairy products, it is in our brain. So basically, we have
absolutely.
to change our perspective. We have to look at the victim. We have to look at the victim of our choices. And when we look at the victims, nothing remains difficult. Our taste buds are not important than the life of an animal.
Absolutely. Someone wrote some comment. Let me check. Shalini is
Yes.
saying massive respect for all that you are doing at such a young age and standing up for animal rights against all odds.
Thanks.
Absolutely, Shalini.
Yes.
Shal- I like how confident you are, and I think if you were in a different country, it would have been far easier. And I know that's difficult in Pakistan, and we will come to that next. But tell me, like, have you ever been to India?
No, I have never been to India.
But do you want to visit India? Do you like Indians?
Yes, I do not have any hard feelings towards Indians.
Okay. And even like I don't have any hard feelings towards Pakistanis, but yeah, there are people who have blind hate, and there are elements from like both the countries that they have blind hate from each other towards each other without any reason. So I don't
Yes,
support that. That's why we're talking,
yes,
right? Uh, so do you want to visit India if you could?
yes. Basically, I have a dream of doing world tour. So I love to travel different
Wow.
places.
Then otherwise, what would happen is we all will meet in a neutral country like Bangladesh or Sri Lanka. There is like it will be easier for all of us to meet there.
Yes.
Oh yeah. So tell me, if you get married, when you get married, will
Yes.
you marry a non-vegan?
Well, what I believe is that at that time, most of the world population will be vegan because awareness is growing, even if gradually, but
Hmm.
it is growing among people. And I
Hmm.
do believe that most of the people will be vegan, and I will marry the one who will respect my choices, my lifestyle
Wow.
choices, because
Wow.
I believe that one should have an open mind towards other perspective. I will not marry a close-minded person, but rather an open-minded person who is
So
open towards my choices and perspectives.
even if he's non-vegan, you will marry him because maybe later he will change in that thought.
Yes.
Okay. And also you said that by that time most of the people will be vegan, world population. By what time? Like when are you planning to get married?
I do not have a plan about it right now. I am
But
planning to study and pursue
you
my
said,
career.
okay, amazing, amazing. So maybe 15 years. Uh,
Yes.
okay. Uh, yeah, tell me about the kind of activism that you do.
Social media activism.
Social media activism. Like what do you do? Do you make posts and groups? Like
Yes, I
tell
make
us in
posts
details.
about it
Yeah.
and I have created a page, Vegan Direction Pakistan, and
Ooh,
I do not
wow.
have followers on it, but I do hope that I will have a lot of followers in it in future, and many people will follow this page, and change will happen gradually.
So, Bajrang Sharma is asking, what are the major challenges you face being vegan in Pakistan? Can you answer that for him?
Yes, there aren't any
This
major
brother.
challenges except that there are limited options available. We do not have much options available, and this is the only challenge I face since my family
I think
is very supportive of my decisions
supporting.
and my friends are convinced by my responses. So I do not face any
Wow.
major challenges except that there are very few options here.
So I think what he was asking is like if you go down in the streets and create awareness about it is wrong to kill animals, how will people
Yes.
react? How will people react?
I have not done it before, but I think
Mhm.
that some people will be supportive while others will not be.
Okay. So yeah, my next question is to you is, what's your favorite color?
Red.
Red. Are you wearing red?
Yes.
Okay. Favorite dish?
Favorite dish, vegan pizza.
Vegan pizza. How do you make that? Like, is it available there?
I take whole wheat flour because I do
Mm.
not consume refined flour, so I take whole wheat flour. I add
Hmm.
water, yeast, oil, and plant-based milk in it, and then I
Yes.
wait for it to, and then I keep it
This
like
is
for and then I net it and keep it for 1 to 2 hours. After 1 to 2
wow.
hours, I put vegan toppings on it like tomato
Just
sauce,
wanted to.
vegan cheese. Yes,
Wow.
vegan
Vegan cheese. How do you
vegan
get
cheese.
vegan cheese?
I make it at home.
Oh God, you're so talented. This sounds like a recipe class. People who are watching like get down with notes, write it down.
Yes,
She's telling you the recipe of a vegan pizza.
yes,
Yeah. So favorite attire. What do you like to attire? Like what do you wear? Like in Pakistan, salwar kameez is very popular. But what do you
yes.
like to wear?
I like to wear all kinds of dresses, both Eastern and Western.
Wow, because what we think, like what we are being told that it's a very like not very oppressive. The society in Pakistan is very oppressive, and women are not allowed to wear Western clothes. So, do
No,
you face
there.
any kind of challenges? Okay.
No, I do not face any kind of challenges except that I am not allowed to go out alone late night. Like if I have to
Of
go
course,
out at late night, I have to take someone along with me.
of course. It is even in
Yeah.
India, people are not allowed to go out, and you are so young, like 14-year-olds. Who will let you out alone?
Yes.
Ah. So, what do you like to wear? Favorite attire? Thank you for joining.
Both shalwar kameez and western dresses, as I have mentioned before.
Okay, okay. And favorite holiday destination?
Favorite holiday destination, Murray.
Which place? Ma?
Murray.
What did you say?
It
Murray, where? Where is
it's a
it?
northern area in Pakistan.
Okay, okay. Is it very good? Tell us about Murray.
Yes, it
I'm
is a
hearing
very
it for the
good
first
place.
time.
Yes, it is a very good place. And in
Okay,
winter there are a lot of monkeys there.
okay. That's why you want to go there. You like monkeys. So what's your favorite
Yes.
animal?
Basically it is I love dogs because they are very loyal creatures.
So yeah, I saw your picture that you have pictures with dogs, but in the Muslim community and in India, it's a taboo to keep dogs. And like you
Basically,
living in Pakistan, let me
yeah.
continue. You living in Pakistan, it may be more difficult. So, how do you manage to keep dogs at home? Is there no pressure from the society or other
Basically,
relatives?
my parents do not believe dogs to be impure because they are also a creation of Allah. And Maliki school of
Mhm,
thoughts regards dogs as pure and regards pet dogs as
mhm,
halal.
mhm,
And the command that one should wash the dish does not represent impurity. Washing is a ritual
mhm,
act. So my parents do
mhm,
not consider dogs to be impure, but but the people around me does. Matlab,
mhm.
like some people do
No.
consider dogs to be impure, and they do use abusive
Oh God,
language, but most do not, and most are very supportive.
so heartless. So you're such a
Yes.
sweet girl. How can they say nasty things to you? So
Yes.
yeah, I can understand why they are saying it because they are brainwashed, right?
They are
And
brainwashed.
I'm telling you, if
They
I
are not
want to
open to
have
other
dog,
perspectives. They want to
if
impose
if
their
I,
perspective on others.
if I want to have dogs at home, my family will kick me out. They already want me out. That's a different story because of my activism. But if I say dogs, no, there is no chance. No, yeah, cat. They will say yes to cat. They won't have any problem with cats. And
Yes.
recently, my cousin he bought a small baby cow, and he wants after 2 3 years he will sacrifice that. So I'll try to save that cow. Let's see, like let that cow grow up.
Yeah.
After 1 year or 2 year, I'll try to save that cow and convince
Yes.
him not to sacrifice that cow. But now
Yes.
he's taking a lot of care of the cow. Like he's feeding the cow a lot. And this is baby, like small baby. So the cows
Yes.
are so cute. I love cows.
I
I
love
love cows.
cows
Maybe
too.
cows. Cows,
Especially
cows
cows,
are
they
my
are very cute.
favorite animal. How your friends react to you being vegan? I think she already.
Yes.
Okay, go again. Go again.
So
He's asking. He
basically,
wants.
my friends were very supportive of my decision, and they were convinced by my responses. They asked me that why am I vegan, and asked me about that our religion allows it, and other questions. But I answered them that circumstances have changed. Animals are treated in the worst ways possible in dairy industry, and I told them that's how broiler chickens are treated. I told them about the environmental impact of consuming animal products and told them about all the scientific studies that eating meat is causing antibiotic resistance in us, and they were convinced by my responses.
Anuj, how do you know so much? Do you research?
Yes,
Do you
I do
research?
research.
Um,
Yes,
so I think no one can like argue or debate with you because you are so knowledgeable, and we need more people to like research because most activists are not like they do not know much and they just try to tell people that don't eat meat, don't eat meat, and people don't
yes,
listen. Whenever there is an argument, they lose, and that's very bad for us.
yes.
So what were we discussing? The dog part, the
Yes.
cat part,
We were
the cows.
discussing
We
about
love
the
cows. We love
yes,
cows. We love
yes.
cows. Yeah. Yeah, Bajrang, your question has been answered. And guys who are watching, if you have any question for her, you can ask.
You can
I'll
post
ask
them in the
her.
comment section.
And then don't believe her, like she's making it sound very easy, but it's not easy. Let me tell you, it's not easy. She's making it sound very easy being vegan in Pakistan, but I'm sure it's not easy because I know at a place like where I live, it's not easy. Like it will be very difficult. But yeah, She has the gift of the gab. She knows how to convince. She brings up points, nice points, and that's why maybe people do not have any argument against her. So,
Yes.
my next question is: if what would you do if someone gave you $1 million? Do you know how much $1 million is?
Yes, I know there are a lot. Like multiplying them
Yeah,
by 160, it will be a lot.
seven. So it's close to, I don't know. Navya taught me the wrong thing. She told me, Navya told me that is close to 70 crore Indian rupees. 70 crore
Yes,
Indian rupees you multiply by Pakistani currency, but it's not
yes,
70 crore. It may be 7 crore. Hey,
yes.
Navya, how much is $1 million? So I think it's 7 crore Indian
7
rupees.
crore. Yeah.
So what will you
Yeah.
do? What will you do with that?
I will start an animal sanctuary. It's my dream to help
Again,
animals.
again, every person who comes on my live show and says, "What do you want?" They say, "I want animal sanctuary." I think we all can come together and start an animal sanctuary because I put
Yes.
out a meme today as well. You will see there's
Yeah.
a meme. What do you want? I want animal sanctuary.
Animal
So
sanctuary.
Navya from Uttar Pradesh, she's writing, "I love the way you are so confident." Yeah, Navya, she's very confident. Yeah, so what would you do? Animal sanctuary. Even Shalini, yesterday I had a guest, Shalini from Bangalore, India. She said she wants to open an animal sanctuary. And the day before that, I had Ambari from Singapore. She also said the
Yeah.
same thing that she wants to open an animal sanctuary. I had Navya a week before that. She said she wants animal sanctuary. I had Annie Lenki from Finland. She's an international activist. She said, I want to open an animal sanctuary. Every vegan is thinking of opening animal sanctuary. I think people should
Yes.
get get together and open an animal sanctuary. It's too much
Yeah.
dreaming is happening and no action. We want action. Hello Divya.
Yes.
Hello Badav. Badav is my good friend from Nepal. Hello another person from Singapore. Hello. Hello. So who do you love the most?
Like, I love my mother and grandfather the most.
One name. One name. One name.
No.
No, you have to take one
Uh,
name.
one name. Both. My mother and grandfather both.
Oh, my live stream is like it's you have to take one name. Okay. So if you could have three wishes, what would you choose?
Like my wishes would be that world becomes a peaceful place
Mhm.
and I am able to help animals in need. And
Wow,
my third,
animals.
yeah, and my third wish would be that I am able to score good marks in my exams,
Wow.
which I will be appearing for in May.
Okay, I'm writing it up. Uh, I'm thinking that you are a lot into animal rescues. I'll connect you with the animal welfare community in India. They will love
Yes.
you because, of course, the things that you do for the animals, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Ah, if you see someone abusing a dog, if you
Yes.
see animal cruelty, dog cruelty in front of you, what would you do? If
Yes.
someone is beating a dog or kicking a dog, what would you do?
I'll stop that person
How?
by
How
either
will you stop the
contacting the
person?
police or directly asking the
Okay.
person to stop this cruelty.
Has it ever happened? Has any situation
Uh,
happened? You saw someone doing animal cruelty in front of your eyes?
no, I haven't seen it till yet, but
Mhm.
if I see it, I will try my best to stop it.
So you were talking about dog culling in Pakistan, like even in Kerala, dog culling happens a lot. The
Yes.
government is killing dogs in Kerala.
Yeah.
They do it a
Yeah.
lot, and it happens in Pakistan as well. We see on social media. You
Yes.
were talking about that. Can you like put a little light on that?
Yes, like 50,000 dogs are killed every year in Pakistan. And on the top of
50,000.
that, most people are very abusive towards animals. They pelt dogs with stones, they poison them, they shoot them, they beat them. And when these dogs bite them, they blame everything on these dogs.
Is there no law against this dog cruelty?
Basically, there are laws against dog killing, but they are not implemented properly.
But what is the law? Because in India, if there is a dog cruelty, there is a bail. One can get bail for rupees 50 or 100. So what is
Yeah,
the law
same
in
here, same
Pakistan?
here, same.
Okay, bad law. I think this law was created in the British era or like very old times.
Yeah,
That's why it is quite similar,
yeah,
right? Because we were ruled by one British Empire. All the
yeah,
countries were together at that time.
yeah.
Okay. So tell me one thing. Many of friends, non-vegan friends who watch, they complain. They always complain that it is very inconvenient to go vegan. What would you say to them? Like, why should they? If they ask you, why should
It
I go
is
vegan? Because
inconvenient.
it's very, very difficult. I don't want to go vegan. How will you like? What would you say to them?
I will react that firstly they should focus on the victims, and if they focus on the victims of their choices, it will become easier for them to go vegan. Secondly, there are very few vegan choices in Pakistan because there
Mm-hmm.
aren't a lot of vegans in Pakistan. Like if the whole world goes vegan, there will be a
Mm-hmm.
plenty of vegan choices everywhere in the world. So it is our
Mm-hmm.
fault that there are very few vegan choices in Pakistan because there are very few vegans in Pakistan.
Mm-hmm. Ishita is asking, I was just about to ask that. What about animal related laws in Pakistan because so much of sacrifice happens during most of the festival? I don't think that's a good question because uh,
Yeah.
what has law to do with animal sacrifice? Because even in India there is
It
law,
is
but
legal.
animal sacrifice happens in India as much as it happens in Pakistan or Bangladesh. The number of
Yeah.
animals being killed in Pakistan or India is quite similar.
Yeah.
So if in Indian context, if we are unable to save animals, so I don't think there will be law to protect animals there.
Yeah.
So yeah, what was my question? What did I ask? Yeah. Oh, you answered that, right? So you sounded very similar to what Shalini said. See, we are living in different places, different culture, but the a
Yeah.
vegan's voice is so similar. Every vegan is thinking like that. We are like
Yeah.
one big family. You guys
You
are
are right.
poles apart. You are
We
like
are
living in other
connected.
countries. Yeah, you are connected. Shalini, are you there? Let me check if she's there. No, Shalini is not there. She's left. So yeah, Shalini gave the exactly the same answer that focus on the victims, and I'm sure everyone will say the same thing. Focus on the victims because that they are the ones who are suffering inconvenience and pain.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go to some other questions. So you said you're a vegan activist. I know it is very difficult. What do you do during Eid? Like, is it painful for you? Of course it will be, but like, you tell
Yes,
us, like, how do
it
you feel
is because
during Eid?
there is nothing halal about an animal that is being tortured and abused. And Quran doesn't just say to eat what is halal. It also states to eat what
Mhm,
is tayyib. The word tayu
mhm,
means pure, and on the festival
mhm,
of Eid, many animals are trucked and transported in exhausting conditions, which automatically makes them haram for us to eat because they have experienced cruelty and suffering. And on the top of that, most animals are slaughtered in front of each other, which causes them to release stress hormones and makes them impure for us. They no longer remain
mhm.
tayu. So that is not even pure. So when we consume, so basically we are consuming suffering because we are treating those animals in a cruel manner. And now many scholars are even speaking about it that we should give money, donate money instead of sacrificing.
Yeah, perfectly said. Because even if you go according to the books or how people did it at that time and match it
Yes.
to what people do nowadays, what people are doing, they are just buying the animals.
And
And
Quran tells us to care for our environment, but mass killing
Mhm,
of animals is having a devastating impact on our environment, our oceans, our trees, birds, and the various kingdoms we share this world with. It is
I
just
think
causing
it's
destruction.
it's Yeah, it's mentioned. You're right. It's mentioned in
So
Surah
basically,
Al-An'am. Uh,
Quran tells us that we can leave fasting if we are sick or ill, even though fasting is a pillar of Islam. So why cannot
mhm,
we skip something that is not even a pillar of Islam and is causing so much
absolutely.
harm to the world? If fasting, a pillar of Islam, causes a harm to a sick person, a person cannot do it, and a
Mhm,
person does not. There is no sin upon a sick person who does not do fasting.
mhm.
So why cannot we skip a thing that is not even a pillar of Islam and is causing so much harm?
It's not compulsory at all, and it's
Yeah.
destroying the
And even the
environment,
companions
destroying people.
Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar did not used to perform animal sacrifice, just to show
Mhm.
people that it is not compulsory.
Is your name Sana?
My,
Yeah,
I'm
someone
Roshi.
wrote. Someone wrote, "Hi Sana." Who's Sana here? Okay, she's
Basically, Sana
Fatima.
commented
Fatima.
before it.
Oh. Hi
Yeah.
Sana. Thank you for commenting. And okay, yeah, you are right, because I think animals are treated in the worst possible manner, and even the people who are eating meat, if you go according to the teachings of Islam, it is not permissible, because they are killing animals in front of each other. Then they're
Yeah.
not treating animals in a good manner, and they're kept in a small cage, right? So
Yeah.
it they talk about free range. Also, I do not support free range. I say that we should not harm animals. But if we go according to the logic of people
Yeah.
who are eating meat, or if people say that let's go according to the religious teachings, if we go
Basic,
according to the religious teachings, then
yeah.
they cannot eat meat.
Basically,
It's
what I
haram,
believe
because
is
yeah,
that Islam and veganism are very similar. Islam tells us
yeah,
to reduce, Islam basically tells us to minimize animal suffering because
absolutely.
that is why
Wow.
Islam told us the conditions of halal slaughter 1400 years ago because it was a desert. Arabia was a desert and plant-based food could not be grown there, crops couldn't be grown there, and they couldn't survive without animal products. It was a need. So
I'll
basically
quote you.
that even in that
I'll
time
quote.
Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam regulated animal consumption. Yeah, so I would like to answer this question. The book Fath al-Bari, in that book, it is mentioned that Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar did not offer animal sacrifice,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
they wanted to show people that it is not compulsory. And Hazrat Ali Rizal
Mhm.
Anha said that we should not make our stomach a graveyard for animals.
It's never compulsory. Who said it's compulsory? Who
Sana.
said it's compulsory? Sana, like, can you give us reference where it is said it's
Yeah, that is why
compulsory?
I told her the name of the book.
Like, even
I mean,
even people
I
who
may
are
not be able to pronounce it properly, but its name is Fath Fath Al Bari.
Fatal Bari. So what I'm saying is, people who are going for Hajj, they are
Yeah,
supposed to sacrifice, but then there is also like argument or debate that can happen there. So I'm not going there. But tell me, if you are going not for Hajj or pilgrimage, if you are at your home, it is
yeah,
sunnah. See, it is not mandatory. It's not farz. It's not compulsory. So why
yeah,
are you hell bent on sacrificing an animal which is very cruel and which is not even a sacrifice? Like, we know
yeah,
in our heart that it is
yeah.
not kurbani. It's not sacrifice. We
It is not
enjoy
Quran.
killing animals. We laugh. We
You're right.
enjoy. We dance. There is music. It doesn't happen in India, but I've seen videos in Pakistan. People play music and they dance, and then the cows are coming, big bulls are coming, and they're dancing and
Yeah,
having fun. That's
yeah.
wrong, right? Okay, so tell me about the toughest decision you ever made.
Toughest decision I have ever made. There isn't any tough decision I have ever made till now.
When you went vegan.
Yeah. I went vegan on 30th of June 2020.
So, if you had 2 hours
Yeah.
left on Earth, what would you do? What would you do?
What would I do? If I have enough money, I will start an animal sanctuary, or basically I want to do something that is beneficial for humanity, that is beneficial
Mhm.
for the people around, for the animals around, for our environment. So I will do
That
something
will
that
take
beneficial.
20 years. What will you do in 2 hours?
2 hours. What will I do in 2 hours? I don't know.
Okay, there is separate conversation going on between Miss Singh and Sana, and let that happen. Like people should interact and debate and discuss. So
Yeah.
let them do that. Let us like focus on this. Best gift you ever got?
Best gift I have ever got. Uh,
Yeah.
my dog.
Who gave you?
My parents. I have adopted
Okay.
them from an animal shelter.
Wow. And best thing that ever happened to you?
Best thing that my marks.
Your
Basically,
marks?
good score. Yeah, good score in exams.
Do you are you good in studies?
Yes.
Are you good in,
I try to be good in studies, and in these exams I have scored an A grade. So that is the best thing that have ever happened to me.
so how much is A grade? Because I am not very good in these studies. I don't have much knowledge about it. So
It
how
is above
what I
80%.
understand. Wow, wow.
Yeah.
She is my friend and I have a hard time convincing her. That's why I got her here. Yeah, I'll talk to her. I'll talk to her Sana personally and I'll make her understand because
Yeah.
it's best thing. Okay, bad habit that you want to change.
Best, the thing that I want to change
Bad,
in
no,
the
no,
world.
bad habit in yourself that you want to change.
Bad habit in me. I get angry easily.
Do you like? Okay, are you short tempered too?
Yes, I am a short-tempered person.
Yeah. Okay. So what makes you angry generally? You're saying that you get angry easily. So what makes you angry?
Like when someone makes stupid arguments that do not even make sense, that makes me angry.
What do you do when you get angry? What do you do when you get angry?
Like I tell myself that I do not have to be angry and I have to be tolerant, otherwise I will not be able to convince anyone.
Are you jealous of anyone?
No.
Honestly?
Yes, honestly, because I
Okay.
basically I feel happy for others because I believe that Allah has blessed them, and I should not feel jealous for them. I should not feel jealous because Allah has blessed them with happiness or success. So basically, I should feel happy for them,
Absolutely.
and I should
Allah.
pray for myself instead of pulling their legs down.
Absolutely. Allah has said that I have plenty, ask. There is no
Yeah,
limit to my resources. Never be
yeah,
jealous. When people get jealous, their mindset is there is a scarcity. Okay.
yeah,
If someone else takes it, I won't get. But that's not the truth. The universe has a lot for us.
yeah.
What are you grateful for? What are you grateful for?
Everything.
Like something, name things,
Like,
name something.
I'm grateful for everything. Um, my good marks, which I am specifically
No,
grateful
although
for.
you're focused on studies, it's good. You're focused on studies, it's good.
Yeah,
So
and
Pragati, Pragati is saying, "Oh my God, you are an angel." Pragati, follow her. Go
thanks.
follow her. Pragati, follow her. Go
Yeah,
follow and write nice comments on her pictures. And guys,
yeah,
whoever is watching, please follow Aruj. We need to support people from those who are vegans because that's how we can make this community bigger and we will be able to provide support to each other because we never know what will happen to us in the future. Maybe the majority will turn against us, so we need to support each other. Good session. I am sure it will inspire more. Thank you. So Aruj, who is your hero?
my hero, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Wow. Wow. If you could live anywhere in the world, which place would
Yeah,
it be?
would it be? Basically, I love traveling, so
Yeah.
I like to live close to nature.
Okay. Hi, Monica. Close to nature. Which place? Like there, will you go out of Pakistan or will you live in Pakistan?
Basically, I will live in Pakistan because in order to bring change, I will have to be here
Wow.
myself instead of going out of here.
Um, Even I think like that. Like, but this
Yeah.
is a huge sacrifice because then you are not thinking about yourself. You can go to a better place and live, but you want to stay there and try to be the change in the society.
Yeah.
Great.
Basically, I believe
But
in the quote, be the change you wish to see in the world. This is a very famous
awesome.
quote, and I personally believe in it that we should be the change we wish to see in the world. We first have
Okay.
to become the change we wish to see in the world. We want the world to be.
What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear.
Yeah.
I do not have any fear.
You are not afraid of anything? Cockroach,
No,
snake,
no.
snake? You're not
Even
afraid of
I
snake?
once no, I once
Oh
caught a
God.
snake in my hand.
Oh God. You're fearless. You have no fear. Good. Uh, okay. What did you want to be when you were a kid? You were a kid, still kid, but when you were like kid, like smaller, when you were younger. So, what did you want to be
Uh,
at that time?
I I
I
wanted
plan to
to
set
go
up
in the field of mechatronics. Basically, I wanted to go in the field of
megaphone.
robotics because I love computer sciences.
Then what? Like, are you pursuing that, or do you don't want that anymore?
No, I
What
want
happened?
that.
Why did you change?
I want that
You
right
still?
now too.
Oh, you
Yeah,
are still doing
yeah,
that. Okay.
yes,
So you'll make robots. Robot
yeah.
activists. You can make robot vegan activists.
It's a good
So
idea.
we will be safe. We will be safe. We don't
Yeah,
have to
we
go
will be
out there
safe
and
and we
get.
will send robots to do activism.
Yeah, good idea. Uh, do you read books?
Yeah, no, I do not read books,
Okay.
but I read everything on my mobile phone and laptop.
Okay. Do you watch movies?
No, I do not watch
Not
TV
allowed
that
in
much.
Pakistan.
No, basically it is
Is it
allowed
allowed
to
in?
watch movies. Yes, it is allowed.
Do you
My
do you get
parents do
do
ask
you
me
get
to watch movies.
Bollywood things there? Bollywood, or is it allowed or not
Ye-
allowed? Because it was
ye-
some time back.
It, yes, it is allowed, and I do watch movies, but I do not watch them frequently because looking at screens too much causes dryness in my eyes.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Any favorite any movie that you remember from India or any actor? Do
War,
you remember? What?
War,
What?
the movie
War is a
War.
movie.
Yeah.
I haven't watched it. Who is the hero? Who is
There
the
are
hero in the
basically
movie?
two heroes, Hrithik Roshan and Tiger Shroff.
Okay, I don't know them. Oh no, I know
Yeah,
Hrithik Roshan and also Tiger Shroff,
yeah,
but I didn't watch
yeah,
that movie. If
yeah.
if you were stranded on a deserted island,
Yes.
who would you take with you? Who would you take with you?
What? Who would I take with myself?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Who
who
would
would
you
I
take
take
with?
with? Uh, I will take
Choose
a
one
boat with
person.
myself. I will take a boat with myself so I can get out of there.
Yeah. So if money was not a factor, what would you do
Yeah.
all day?
What would I do all day? So, my dreams are starting an animal sanctuary for animals and starting mental
Mhm.
health awareness programs, as well as establishing a research center where mental health diseases, which are currently not treatable, like autism, are researched. Like, I want to establish a research center and an animal sanctuary.
But tell me, uh, mental health awareness, is it like in Pakistan,
Yeah.
do people understand about mental health? Are they aware?
Most do not.
Okay, so you want to do something about that, create awareness about
Basically,
that,
my
right?
phone's battery is low, so I'll bring my power bank in 1 minute.
Okay, 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 okay. I'll wait, I'll wait, I'll wait, I'll wait. Go. Yeah. So guys, yeah, we are interviewing Aruj Fatima from Pakistan, and she is a 14-year-old and high-spirited, and she's positive, and she is well researched. She knows everything what to say, and she's living in a family where she could convince her dad and her mother to support her, and also her friends don't bully her much because, of course, she knows a lot and she comes up with good arguments. So if you have any question for her, you can ask. And she has gone to bring charger because there is like her phone, the battery is almost dead. And this is the first time, like she was not even on Instagram. I asked her to like get on Instagram and like be active because she was only active on Facebook. So guys, if you have any question, I'll take the names who are watching. Let me see. My friends, you have been so kind to me. Watch me, I like it. Navya, Shomal, Ishita, Nayan, and Nikita, ABD. ABD, the last name I can never read. I don't know why. I can never read the last name. Because this is a glitch. This is a glitch. Okay, I'll play some song. I'll play some song. Alexa. Okay, no. Okay, you are here. Are you here? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I don't know
Yes.
that.
Okay, I don't know that. So, if you get a time machine, what would you do with it?
What would I do with it? I will meet my grandmother.
You didn't meet your grandmother?
No.
Oh, that's sad. That's sad. So, your screen is moving. Can you like hold it still
Yes.
and place it
Yeah.
somewhere? Oh, I can understand. Because of the jack, you cannot hold
Yes.
it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's sad. That's sad. And try to hold it like still. Okay. And where do you see yourself in 5 years? Like doing robotics or something
Yeah.
else? An animal
Robotics.
sanctuary. I already know. I know
Yeah.
so much about you. Like I can answer questions on your behalf now. Like what do you want?
Yeah.
What do you like? What will you become?
Yeah.
So, what's the most daring thing that you have ever done?
Most daring thing that I have ever done. Like, I lost my weight.
That was a challenging thing. How much weight did you lose?
I was obese. I was basically 95 kgs and I used to drink a lot of Coke.
95 kg? I
Yeah,
won't
95
believe it
kg.
until I see. Do you have picture?
No, I do not have
Do you
any
have picture?
picture, but I
I cannot believe it. 95 and now? What is your weight now?
58.
Shomal is saying, oh my god, like 2 and 35, 37 kgs. You could
Yeah.
have been a great inspiration if you could put those two pictures side by side and post it on Instagram. See, you are
Yeah.
so inspiring, but you're not utilizing it. Use the social media, inspire people. Someone is
Yeah.
writing she has a pleasing smile, cutie. Okay. Thank you, Shomal, for saying that. And ABD is asking how you educated your family about veganism. How did you educate your family about veganism?
So basically, I told them about the cruelties and atrocities in the industry committed against
Mhm.
animals. I told them that how animals in dairy industry are treated, how broiler chickens are treated, and like when we consume suffering, how can we expect not to suffer? We are suffering from a lot
Wow.
of diseases nowadays, like blood pressure, high blood pressure, sugar, like diabetes, hypertension have become like a pandemic. They have spread like a pandemic in this world because of what we are consuming, because of our dietary habits.
You come to India, you come to Kolkata, and whenever we will go for outreach, we will push you forward and you will speak because you are like a computer. You're like a recording that's playing. Amazing. You know so much.
Yeah.
It will make our job easier. It will make our job
Yes.
easier. You should, I think you should go to places and do activism. Or no, you are
Yeah.
talking to friends, right? That's good activism. Just start with
Yeah.
close people, and that will like
Yeah.
move on to other people.
Yeah.
So, if you are the ruler of Pakistan, yes, you
Yeah.
must come to India. Ishita wants you there. Ishita, you never told me to come to India or your city. You are asking her. I am your friend first, right? If you were ruler of if you were ruler of Pakistan, what would be the
Yeah.
first law that you would introduce?
Like, I will pass laws against animal cruelty to stop animal cruelty and all of the atrocities committed against animals. So my first, the first law I will make will be against animal cruelty, because most of the rulers do not even care about animals. There are a lot of laws against the atrocities, against the crimes committed against humans, but there aren't any laws against animal cruelty, and there, even if there are laws, they are not implemented properly. So basically, I'll change the whole system that implements those laws properly, that considers animal lives as valuable as human lives.
Okay, amazing answer. So tell me, like, would you ban animal sacrifice too?
Yes, I think so. It would be difficult to do in Pakistan, but
But you are
I'll
the
try.
ruler, right? But you are the ruler. You can your decision. Everyone will have to agree with that.
No, they will not agree with my
So
decision. They will
no,
start
they
doing
will. They will have
protests.
to because yeah. But no, doesn't matter, right? You have to. Okay, yeah. You are talking something
Yeah.
about practical
I'll try
now.
my
I
best.
can understand.
I'll try
So
my best.
ABD ABD is saying that wow, so lucky to have such understanding parents. I also tried to educate my parents, but they don't understand me and don't support me. ABD, can you please write your name, where you live, and your story? I'm very interested to know because hi Parth, hi Shaolin K. ABD, I want to know your story because I think it is something interesting, but I cannot understand because I don't know
Yeah.
your background. So what's your name? Which city are you from? And what's your story? Thank you. And guys, after the video is done, like save, please comment there. But what happens is there here you can see 30, 40 comments, so many people watching, and so many hearts being put. But when the video is saved, people are not there to like. So I want you all to like and comment when the video is saved. I will share the link. And yeah.
Yeah.
So if you had a warning label, if you had a
Yeah.
warning label, what would it say? What would it say?
Warning label.
Start. Yeah.
Like, what kind of warning label?
Like, if, how can I make you understand? Like, if there is an iron, right? Iron. The
Yeah.
warning label is iron and it gets hot,
Yeah.
beware.
Yeah.
Or your hand
Yeah.
will burn. Something like
Yeah.
that. What will be your warning label?
Like, my warning will be stop animal cruelty, or else beware of
Or,
consequences. Beware of consequences.
wow, wow. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how
Yeah.
funny do you think you are?
I don't know. People around me can tell how funny I am, but I myself don't know if I am funny or not.
Do they say that you are funny?
Well, I don't know if I have a good sense of humor or not.
Oh my god. Ishita bewafa hai. Because she's saying I will welcome you to my place, but Aruj has become my favorite now.
Let
Oh my
I
god, this is
visit
so
her
heartbreaking.
place.
This is so heartbreaking. No, she's replacing me with you now. It's sad for me. No, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you, but
Yeah.
yeah, they're liking you more. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, how many languages do you speak?
How many? I speak English and Urdu.
Hmm? Urdu, Hindi?
Urdu.
Hindi? Do you
Basically,
speak Hindi?
there is a slight
Oh,
difference between Urdu and Hindi. Because in Urdu, we use the word bharosa. In Hindi, we use the word vishwas, which I think that it is the
yeah,
right
yeah, yeah,
word
yeah.
in Hindi.
No, I
Yeah, so
think
there is a
I
slight
think
difference.
in India it is
Yeah.
mixed. We say bharosa, yakin. We like to use Urdu words more. So can you tell us in Urdu? I just want to hear some Urdu from you. That's why I'm asking. So
Yeah,
consider that we people who are watching are non-vegans, and you
yeah.
come to us and talk about veganism, like some 2, 3 lines or 4 lines in Urdu. Where okay, there is the glitch. Shit. Anuj, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Anuj? I think there is some glitch in the internet,
Hello.
and can you hear me, Aruj?
Yeah, there are some
Aruj,
glitches.
Aruj, there's some problem in the internet. Oh, Aruj,
Yeah, I can hear you.
is it okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So I'm saying that सोच लो कि हम लोग नॉन
yes.
वीगन्स है और हम लोगों से बात करने आओ तुम,
ठीक है.
लेकिन उर्दू में
हाँ,
बोलो कि क्या वीगनिज्म है, थोड़ा सा उर्दू हो जाए, ठीक है?
उर्दू में बताती हूँ.
बिकॉज जो
वीगन,
जो लोग देख रहे हैं वो उर्दू बोलो,
हाँ.
वो उर्दू समझते हैं.
वीगनिज्म एक सोच है कि एनिमल जो जानवर हैं वो हमारे इस्तेमाल की चीजें नहीं है, मगर वो हमारे दोस्त हैं और उनका भी जीने का उतना ही हक है जितना हमारा जिंदा रहने का हक है.
Okay. Again, there's some glitch. I'll try to switch the internet to Wi-Fi now. Let's see if the problem is from my side.
Okay.
Guys, can you can you hear me?
Yeah,
Aruj,
yes, I can hear
can you
you.
hear me? There was
हाँ,
some glitch.
yes.
So Ishita, I don't think our parents will allow three of us to have fun together. Yeah.
Yes.
So what is something that you would never do again? Oh, amazing Urdu talk. But
Yeah.
even I speak like you. I think I
Yeah,
speak Hindi. I do not know Urdu, but the kind of words that you used, istemal, I used to.
yes.
So I speak more Urdu and less Hindi. And
Yes,
even like
same
because
here.
of Bollywood,
We speak Urdu Hindi mix.
yeah, because of Bollywood, we learn words from Bollywood, Hindi cinema,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
we get words from there. Even all the songs are very Urdu.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
ABD, please, ABD is not telling me his or her name. Okay, ABD, please. I don't know. If what is that one thing that you would never do again?
I'll never do again. There is no such thing that I have done and I regret it.
Okay. If someone tricks you to eat meat, what will you do? Like if someone mixes meat in your food and after you eat and they say that I mixed some minced meat in your food and they laugh, how will you react to that?
Basically, my sense of smell is very good, so I will get to know if they mix meat
No,
in my
no, no.
dish.
That's not the question. Like if they
Yeah.
succeed in feeding you,
Yeah,
what
yeah,
will you
yeah.
do?
If they succeed in training me. Yeah.
No,
So
no.
I'll try to explain them that it is wrong to kill animals and it is not a right
Hmm.
thing to do. So they should refrain
And
from doing these
if they laugh
crimes.
at your face, if they laugh at your face,
I
what will
laugh
you
at
do?
them. I laugh at them.
You won't beat them up?
Well, if I beat them up, how will I convince them?
Oh, wow. This is a deep, very deep. Somal is
Yeah.
saying she lives in Lucknow, and Lucknow, second
Yeah.
language is Urdu in Lucknow.
You know, yes.
She lives in Lucknow. So,
Yeah.
yeah, how do you think, what kind of method of activism that we should do to create real impact in the society and like spread the message quickly and
Basically,
reach
what
out to
I
the masses? Hmm.
Yeah, what I believe is that these TV serials, movies have a
Mhm.
very deep impact on our younger generation. They pick up a lot
Mhm.
of things from these movies, a lot of actions, and they
Mhm.
base their basically they do what they watch these actors in movies too. So basically, we should
Mhm.
make movies, TV dramas about veganism, and in order to spread awareness among people. And social
Wow.
media activism
Mhm.
is best because what I believe is that there are a lot of people who get influenced from social media, especially our younger generation gets influenced from social media. And so we should use social media to bring about a positive change. And in
Yes.
rural areas where social media isn't available, street activism is a good option there.
This super mature and super wise. Can I take help from you for my activism, my advice and ideas?
Yes,
If I
sure.
need, thank you so much because
Sure.
I think you are very, very wise and listening to you will help me in my activism.
Yeah.
Uh, Tell me about a sad, heartbreaking moment that was sad.
Sure. One of my dog died of paro. It's a very
Uh,
deadly disease in dogs, so it died.
mhm. Okay. And how do you feel about offending people by your messages? People get angry by seeing your messages, your friends. Like
I don't
how do
care.
you feel?
I don't care.
Why people are not caring? Okay. So we have come to the end of this session and it has been, oh my God, more than 1 hour, I think. It's
What I
lasting
believe
long
is
and
that if a society condones something, it doesn't become right. So if someone gets offended by right thing, they should check
Mhm.
if what they are doing is right. Because I do not get offended by other people being non-vegan. Instead, I try to tell them peacefully, in a peaceful manner. And I try not to lose my temper. But these people who
How
are
do you
getting
manage to
offended,
how do you manage to keep like not lose your temper? Because you said you are short tempered.
yeah, I tell
So
my
how do you
mind
manage that?
that, as I mentioned before, that I explain my mind
Mhm.
that if I lose my temper, I will not be able to convince anyone. And in Pakistan, I am all of the vegans are basically representing vegans. And if we will
Mhm.
act bad, we will give a bad image of
Wow.
vegans. People will consider vegans rude, arrogant, and they will not come towards it. So we should portray vegans as good people, peaceful people who want to bring about a positive change in society.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
Yeah.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory. Traveling to different places. I once
You
traveled to
like
Ahmedabad and it's a very beautiful place.
Ahmedabad. Is it in India?
Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. Okay,
Ahmedabad.
we don't know. Okay. Yeah, so we will do this expression challenge and then you will give a speech. And if we do not have any question,
Yeah.
then we'll end the session with a song that you will
Yeah.
sing for us. Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll sing a song for us.
Me?
You said thrice. Yeah. You said yeah thrice, so you'll sing a song for us. But before
No.
that, we'll do this expression challenge. You
Okay.
said yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah,
No.
I said you'll sing a song and you said yeah,
No,
yeah,
I said
yeah.
no, no, no
Guys,
thrice.
guys. Okay.
I do not
Expression
know how to
challenge.
sing. I,
Okay, then
yeah.
I'll play a song on my like Bluetooth speaker.
Yeah.
So tell me, let's do the expression challenge. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Make an angry face. Make an angry face. Angry. So when you get angry, you look like this.
Yeah.
It look like you are sad and about to cry. Okay. Make a sad face. Make a sad face. Yeah, you look sad. Make a jealous face. Jealous.
Jealous. Jealous face.
Try. Yeah, you look like the Indian
Jealous.
serial
Yeah.
Vamp. There are vamps,
Yes.
right? Those
Yeah.
who do the bad things. You look like that just now. And
Yeah.
happy face. show me a happy face.
Yeah, it's
You're
my
always
happy
happy. Like
face.
for the for the past 4 hours, I could only see you smile and happy. But yeah,
Yeah.
so it's amazing. And so, shall we do the speech first or the song? Will you sing the song first, or will you like give the speech, ending speech? What will you do first?
Uh, Song first, then speech.
Okay, please
Okay.
sing.
Yeah.
Okay,
Look, I don't
sing.
know how to sing.
But you said you'll sing. Then why did you say song first?
I no. Basically, you said that you will play the song
Oh,
there.
which song? Which
Yeah.
song? Which song do you want me to play? But I will play for
Any
only
song.
1 minute.
Any song.
Any song? Guys, do you
Yeah.
want to listen to any song? For 1 minute, I'll play the song. Then she will give the speech. She will make. So. I'll play maybe by Jason. Okay. Okay. If you don't like, tell me. Alexa, play maybe by Jason.
Jay Sean top songs from Geo Sawan.
It's taking time. So I just heard my father speaking that no more eggs in the house because I don't eat them.
Yeah.
Wow, Shomal, wow. This should go on your
It's
social media. How I
yeah.
utilize these things is I
It's a
put
very
it
good
out
change.
on social
It's a
media.
very positive
I
change.
put it I put it out on social media. So okay. Alexa, play maybe. Alexa is not listening.
Maybe Shire from Geo Sawan.
Yeah. So yeah, you put it out on social media so people get inspired from you, and they will also tell what's happening, because what's happening is we are not telling people what's happening in our life. They should know
Yeah.
the positive messages, right? Can you hear this song?
Yeah. I can hear it.
Okay. Guys, are you liking it?
Yeah.
I'll play just for 1 minute and then you will start the speech.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rashid. Rashid, thank you, Rashid. So let me find people who are watching. Navya, thank you, Navya. Thank you, Shomal. Thank you, Ishita. Thank you, Rashid. Thank you, Nayan. And the last name, like always, I cannot read. I don't know why, but I cannot read the last name. It's not. So that song is done.
Yeah.
Alexa, pause. Now you end it with a speech.
Yeah.
So we are listening to your speech. So what will happen is after we save this video, we will cut it out, trim it, and we will may post
My
it on
speech.
YouTube. Yeah, of course, your
My
speech
speech.
is important. Your voice is
Yeah.
important.
So what should
Your
I give
speech.
speech about? About veganism?
About you, okay, think that you are on a stage and I give you the
Yeah.
mic and there are like 200 people sitting in Pakistan
Yeah.
and I say that Anuj wants to say something to you and you have the mic. Say something.
Yeah. So, dear audience, I would like to tell you that we animals are very similar to us humans in terms of feeling pain, in terms of emotions. So
Mhm.
instead of exploiting them, instead of being arrogant and considering ourselves superior, we should consider themselves as a friend of animals or animals as our friends. We should treat them like alive sentient beings and try to avoid their exploitation as much as possible.
Okay, are you done?
Yeah, done.
Okay, guys, I'm about to end this session. If you have any question, you can ask. I'll wait for 10-20 seconds. Thank you, Anuj, for taking out precious time from your busy schedule for all of us. And we will save this video and we will share. And I hope, please keep your Instagram account open because there will be people who will follow you now. And I
Yeah.
hope, guys, please follow Anuj and motivate her, support her, and she will follow us back, and like we should
Yeah.
make this big community. We are like one big family, one big global family. Bye
Yeah.
guys, God bless you. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Tata. Tomorrow I will be
Bye.
live with Monica from Norway. She's originally from Poland. and she
Yeah.
will teach us how to deal with mental health issues. And
Yeah.
she had vegan pregnancy and she went raw vegan, and it's a very interesting
Yeah.
profile.
Yeah.
I will come live with Monica tomorrow 6 p.m. and thank you, more
Yeah.
and more power to you, Aruj, and
You are welcome.
all my love and regards to Altab. Thank you, bye,
Same to you.
bye, everyone.
Bye.
Yeah, yeah, bye, bye.